How does your brain control distant organs without being directly wired to them? It uses a chemical relay system called the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, or HPA axis. Take a sudden physical threat. You need a massive spike in the stress hormone cortisol, which is pumped from the adrenal glands on your kidneys. To trigger this, the hypothalamus drops a releasing hormone down a tiny stalk, straight into the pituitary gland. The pituitary acts as an amplifier, firing a stronger chemical signal into the bloodstream. These molecules travel down the bloodstream and seek out the adrenal glands, triggering a cortisol flood. But here is the problem. Without a neural off switch, what prevents a toxic, never-ending flood of stress hormones? Your body solves this using the rising hormone itself as a stop signal, a mechanism called negative feedback. The cortisol molecules in the blood physically travel back up to the brain and bind directly to the hypothalamus, blocking it from sending any more releasing signals. The chemical cascade shuts itself down at the source, making the loop completely self-regulating. And what about that sudden, terrifying physical threat we talked about at the very beginning of the cycle? Once the scare finally passes, this feedback loop closes the valve and your stress levels safely return to baseline.